Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the August Cafe Card Kit. So the card kit comes out every other month, but you're going to get lots of product. You're going to get cardstock, and you're going to get card bases and pattern paper and all kinds of embellishments. So this month we're featuring the Studio Light Sweet Stories collection, and this is the birthday segment. It's full of pinks and aquas, and you can actually use this pattern paper for more than just birthdays. It's very generic. You also are getting this stamp set, so you could celebrate lots of things and lots of different little greetings, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at everything you're going to get in this month's card kit. Okay, to start off, we're going to look at the cardstock. So you're going to get a sheet of Lagoon cardstock and a sheet of pink. Both of those are 12 by 12, so you could use those for card bases, for your card fronts, die cuts, lots of different things. You're also going to get 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 basil white. So again, they could be more card bases because you get 6 card bases and 6 envelopes, but you have so much product to do more than that. But this will get you started, and then you can use your cardstock or cardstock from your stash or more card bases from your stash. For the pattern paper, like I said in the beginning, this is from Studio Light, and this is their Sweet Stories birthday collection. So this is 6 by 6. It is double-sided. So some of these you're gonna get 2 sheets of, and some you're only gonna get 1 sheet. So you're going to get, and the amounts will vary among the kits, I'm sure, to even it all up. But this is the one that I got in my kit. So I have 2 sheets of diagonal stripes. This is all of the colors in the collection. And the back is this fun star print in different sizes with a polka dot. So I got 2 of those, and then a sheet of the dark aqua. And the back are these gifts. So again, this birthday gifts. To me, if you like pink and the aqua at Christmas time, it could also be a Christmas card. Then you're going to get 2 sheets of pink and the pink stripe, or again, it could be 1 and you could get 2 of the others. So forgive me for kind of probably fumbling through this whole thing, because this is a little bit different than normal. Then you're going to get a thin diagonal striped, and I love the back of this. It's little paw prints. So if you're a little paw mama, a pet. Sheet of aqua, and the back is an aqua stripe. And then we have, this is like little streamers of circles, so it kind of reminds me of the pom-pom garland. And the back of it is a striped. And then the aqua that says happy birthday. I got 2 of those, and sprinkles on the backs. And then there's one of the balloon animals, and the back is a polka dot. So you can see, you could do lots of different things. You could make a little card if someone's lost a pet or they adopted a pet. You can make a cute little card for that. You could do birthday. I think this would be great for Christmas. Everyday greetings. Lots of options there. For the embellishments, you're going to get the stamp set that coordinates. So this is from Studio Light, their Sweet Stories collection. And this is called Let's Celebrate. So it does have birthday greetings. It's your birthday cake, usually birthday, but it could be something else. I forgot your birthday. But, open me, let's celebrate, it's a long story. Party time, sorry, all of that definitely could be used for other things than birthdays. You're also going to get some enameled dots. These are from the True Stories collection from Simple Stories, but you can see how well they match. You're also going to get 3 Doodlebug doilies. Mine got a little crinkled up there, but you'll get 3 of those. You're going to get some pink twine. And there is 2 feet of twine. And then you're going to get these little banner tags. So they do have the hole that you can punch out. It's white, heavy cardstock, so you can stamp on those. So you're going to get 6 of those to put on your cards. So that is the August card kit. Be sure to join us on the Facebook group and the blog. There's lots of inspiration. One of our designers will be creating cards with this kit and be sharing with you. So check that out. We also have lots of other kits. I'll have some reveal videos here at the end, so be sure to check those out. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.